Hello,
Hola.
hello, hello. Okay, so others are also joining. Okay, okay. So let's start the class. Please mute your mic. Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to the first class, and on this class we wanna talk about some important candlestick that this candle will help you so much in trading, and these are so much helpful. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, as you can see on this picture, this is a, a strong bullish candle, right? Okay, so this candle tell you that the market wanna go up, right? Because this is a strong bullish candle. You can see how strong buyers enter here. So this is telling us that the market wanna go up, but this is not easy like this. You need to check the market condition. You need to see the market condition in order to decide this will go up or down. Okay, so let's talk about it. Okay, so if suppose this be a uptrend, okay, if suppose we have a trend and this is a uptrend, when you see this type of a strong candle, not very strong this type, okay, it is a medium. So when you see a strong candle, and also we need to always check the levels. So if we have any level here, we cannot decide directly. Okay, the level are so important. I told you we need always check the level. Okay, so if we check the level and there is no level here, and we are in uptrend and we see this strong candle, this strong bullish candle, it shows us that the market wanna continue and it wanna go up. Okay, but what if see this candle in a strong downtrend? Okay, okay, let me draw here like this. Okay, so if suppose this is very strong downtrend, and from this level we saw this strong bullish candle. So what about this? Here the market will continue to go up? No. Why? Because this is a strong bullish, strong bearish momentum. Okay, I will show you some example also, so don't worry, you will understand clearly. Okay, so if suppose here this is a strong bearish momentum, we have a strong downtrend, and you saw this engulfing these strong buyers, can we go with the buyers on the next candle? No. As I told you, one single candle cannot stop this force. So at least for 1 minute, we can expect a seller's entry, a retracement candle. At least for 1 minute, at least a weak candle we can expect, and the sellers will enter here. So when we have a strong downtrend and we saw this type of candle, we cannot trust, and the sellers at least for 1 minute can enter here. But what about if we see a weak downtrend here? Okay, we are seeing sellers, and in the middle we are see some buyers. So this is a weak downtrend, and we saw this candle from a level, this candle here. We are seeing a weak downtrend, and we saw this candle here from a level. So after this condition here, we can expect the market go up. Okay, so after this condition we can expect the market go up. So in an uptrend, if there is no level, we always need to check the level. In an uptrend, we can expect the market continue. Okay, in a strong downtrend, we can expect a retracement candle here, a seller's entry. And in a weak downtrend, if we see a strong engulfing from a level, then we can expect the market continue and buyers enter. And as I told you, we need to always check the level, right? Okay, so we need to check the level. If suppose there is a ranging market, the market move like this. Okay, what we can expect on this condition? This is a ranging market. We are seeing a strong bullish candle exactly close at the level. What we can expect? Okay, so here we can expect a seller's entry because this is a ranging market, right? I told you, whenever you saw the market close at the level in ranging market, when the market close at the level, we can expect a seller's entry. In the future, again, market close at the level, we can expect a seller's entry. And this is a ranging market, so we can expect a seller's entry. Okay, but if suppose this is a uptrend, okay, and you are see a condition like this, a weak candle, okay, a weak candle here, and suddenly you are seeing a very strong buyer's candle, a weak bullish, suddenly very strong bullish candle. What is mean? This is mean the market is ready to reverse here, okay, from this level. So if you have a level here, you saw a weak bullish candle, suddenly a very strong buyers enter in the market. This is a sign that the market is ready to reverse, and you can expect a seller's entry from this level. Okay, okay, so but what if there is a level? What if we are see a condition like this? Okay, a strong bullish candle in the market, and this market close at this level. What about this? Here the market can easily broke this level. Why? Because you can see how strong the buyers are. This is a strong bullish candle close at the level, so mostly they can easily broke this level and continue to go up. Okay, so here if there is a ranging market, we can expect a seller's entry. If here we saw a weak bullish candle, then suddenly a very strong, here we can expect the market reverse here. And if we see a strong bullish candle in the market, so here we can expect mostly the market broke this level easily. Okay, broke this level easily. Let me show you some example so you can understand and it will be clear for you. Okay, so here I checked in the past here there is no level near to this closing point. Okay, so I checked here, there is no level, the level is far. Okay, so you are seeing this strong candle that I show you in an uptrend, right? You can see this is a strong uptrend, right? Okay, so what will happen here? Tell me please, one by one, what will happen after this candle? What do you think?
Buyers,
Buyers, why?
because the level is far up
Yes,
and it's a uptrend. That's a strong candlestick and
yes,
it's a higher high there.
yes, very good. Okay, is there someone to go with the sellers here? Okay, so there is no one here to go with the sellers. Okay, as I told you, in our uptrend, we saw this candle and we checked. There is no level near here. Okay, so here we can expect the market continue. We are seeing a new high. The buyers engulf the sellers. You can see this is a round number. The market reject from this level and these strong buyers enter and they engulf the sellers. This is a bullish engulfing. So there is no level also, we know. So we can go with the buyers from this level and place a higher option here. Okay, let me show you the next picture. Okay, you can see a, a strong buyers enter. Why? Because they engulf the sellers. In the uptrend we saw this strong candle. Okay, let me show you the next picture. Okay, what about this one? Please tell me, do you place a higher option or a lower option here?
I think lower
Lower
option
option, why?
because
Please talk louder, I can't hear you clearly. Okay, lower option, why?
it's a bearish momentum, and so
Yes,
retracement candle will come
yes, very good,
for
very
continuing.
good. Yes, so as I told you, in a strong downtrend, in a strong downtrend here, if we see this candle, we cannot trust and go with the buyers directly. Okay, we cannot trust. Why? Because as you told you, here you can see there is a bearish momentum, right? This is an engulfing, right? This is a bullish engulfing, but as I told you, we cannot trust a single candle here. We cannot trust because the sellers are so strong, and at least for a weak retracement candle, at least a weak retracement candle we can expect here. So after this candle, mostly the sellers will enter at least for one candle, at least for 1 minute. So here we cannot expect a bullish candle and go with the buyers. So mostly the sellers will enter here. Okay, let me show you here. And you can see there is a seller's entry. Okay, so let me show you the next picture. Okay, so what about this one? There is a resistance level I already draw here. There is a level. So what do you think? Here the
Uh,
market will go up or down?
up,
Up.
up here
Why? Why?
because it's bullish momentum, and it's very that candles are very strong.
Yes, very good.
So it will break the level, obviously.
Okay, very good, very good.
May I ask a question here, please?
Yes.
If you had shadows in the top of each one of these green candlesticks, would be different about the momentum? Could we expect a reversion?
Like this one?
Yes.
No, these are not. We have worked with the bodies, okay, mostly. Okay? The bodies are strong, and if you check here you can see this body compare these bodies. You can see the bars are getting power.
Uh-huh.
The bodies are going stronger and stronger. Okay?
Even if you have bigger shadows, would be the same thing?
Like where? Can you draw here?
Yeah. Like a huge one here and other smaller or maybe big here as well. Doesn't matter if they are bigger, anyways, we should consider it go break up the level.
No. No. On this condition, no, there is no problem. Okay? But if you have a big shadow here on this candle, okay, on this one, from this level on this one, okay, now we need to consider this one, this shadow, because already the market touched this level and we are seeing a very strong rejection from this level. So when the market close at this level, now we need to worry if the sellers enter or not. So now this will be a 50-50 chance. Okay,
Okay, so if you have a big one here, even with
Yes,
no shadow here, we can consider it.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
thank you.
that's right.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So as you tell here, you can see the buyers. This is a bullish momentum, and if you see the buyers body, you can see they are getting power. They are going stronger and stronger, and here there is no shadow, there is no rejection on this candle, so it means the bars are so strong here. And as I told you, when the strong buyers reach a level like this, they are getting more power. So here they can broke this level easily. Mostly, sometimes it will reverse, right? But we are talking about mostly it will broke the level easily. Okay, so
S-
let me show you. Yes.
Yeah, I have a question here. So, can we consider this a Marbuzu candle at the level, and that could be reverse the market, or if in that
Sorry, I didn't.
condition? I mean,
Yes, ask me again.
yeah, I was saying that the last green candle, the one which touched the
Okay,
level.
this one. Okay.
Yep, yep. So, is it a Marbuzu candle at the level, and it should react as a reversal candle, or
Marbuzu candle. Okay. You can see here there is no upper rejection, right?
yep,
This is also a Marbuzu candle, right?
yep.
But you can see it is continuing
Okay,
here. Okay, so if you have like this a weak candle, then you saw this candle. Yes, this is a
okay, got you,
Marbuzu candle, and
got you.
it
Yeah,
can reverse. Yes,
yeah.
but here the bars are strong, so we cannot expect. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Okay, so here they can broke easily the level, and you can see again a bars entry here. Okay. Okay, so let me then show you the next picture. Okay, here I already draw here. This is a SNR. Okay, so what about this one? What you will do here?
I'll go with the sellers
Why?
because the buying trend is, I mean, bullish trend is weak. So it will reach the SNR level, and it will bring the rejection.
Yes, very good. Okay, what about
Yeah,
others?
I will go for sellers
Okay, why?
because compared to the other three candles, it's a uh, big candle and it's a sign for yourself.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, so as I mentioned in the first, when you see a weak bullish and suddenly a very strong bullish candle, so this is the sign that the market is ready to reverse. And when we see a SNR level here, we can be sure that the market will reverse at least for 1 minute here. And we can go with the sellers from this level. Why? Because we saw a strong buyers after this weak candle. So this is the sign that the market is ready to reverse, and we can go with the sellers here. Okay, and you can see the next candle is a strong sellers candle. Okay, so here this is a ranging market. The market is moving on this range. So what will happen here? Can you tell me?
Sellers will enter.
Sellers, why?
So it's a ranging market, big bullish
Okay,
candle, stopped at the level. So
yes,
so that why I would expect sellers entry.
yes, very good. What about others?
Yeah, it goes at the level, so I will also go with seller
Yes,
Was at the
at the top.
level with the shadow, and we also have a shadow here before.
okay, this one you mean? Okay, so as you told here, this is a ranging market, right? As we all know, as I told you, whenever the market close, okay, whenever market close at this level, okay, whenever market close at this level, we can expect sellers entry. even you can see there is a engulfing, even there is a engulfing. This bullish candle engulfed these sellers, but this is a ranging market. Whenever the market close at this level, we can expect a reversal, and you can see there is also a rejection, and this is a ranging market, so we can expect a seller's entry here. At least a weak sellers, will enter here, and we can expect a seller's entry. Okay, let's see the next candle. Okay, you can see at least a weak seller's candle we can expect. Why? Because this is a ranging market. Okay, okay, so let's talk about this candle. As you all know, this is a hammer candle, and the color doesn't matter here. Okay, the green or red, it doesn't matter. So this is a hammer candle, right? Okay, so you can see the sellers enter from this level, they come down here, they reach this level, and the buyers reject from this level. This candle again go up, and it close here. So this is the seller's entry point, the sellers enter from this level. This is the buyers entry point, you can see the buyers enter from this level, and this is the closing point. If you see this closing point, you can see it near to the sellers area, right, where the sellers enter. This is the buyers area, and this is the sellers area. If you see this closing point, it is near to the seller's entry point. So here we can expect a seller's entry. The psychology of this candle is the sellers will enter after this candle. Why? Because this is a seller's area, this is closing point, it is near to the seller's area. So if in the next candle the market go up, it will hit the seller's area, and it will again go down like this, right? So this is a seller's area, and we can expect the next candle close like this. So the psychology of this candle, hammer candle, red or green, the color doesn't matter, both are same. So the psychology of this candle is the market will go down. But what if we have SNR level? Okay, so if suppose there is a resistance level, we already know this candle tell us the market wanna go down here. Okay, but this resistance confirm us that the market will go down. This candle tell us the market will go down, and this resistance is a additional confirmation that the market will go down from this level. But what if we have a support level here? If we have support level here, what will happen? You can see the buyers already reject so strong. These are the buyers, right? This rejection shows us the buyers entry. The buyers enter from this level, and they reject so strong, and this candle close exactly at the support level. So this tell us that the market wanna go up here. Okay, so you need to know one thing about this candle. If this candle be in the middle of the trend, so what is in the middle of the trend? If suppose this is a resistance and this is a support. Okay, so now you can see this candle is in the middle of the trend, right? This is in the middle of the trend. The support level is here, and the resistance level is here. So when you are seeing a hammer candlestick in the middle of the trend, it will continue the market. So if suppose here we have a downtrend, and you are seeing this hammer candlestick, and the next support level is here and resistance level is here. This candle close in the middle of the trend, so you can go for a continuation here, and the sellers will continue mostly. Okay, so when you see hammer candlestick in the middle of the trend, it will continue the market. But when you see this candle at SNL level, support or resistance, this candle will reverse the market. Okay, I will show you some example and you will understand clearly, so don't worry, you just
So
need to know. Yes,
I have a question here. So it doesn't matter if the trend is up or down, and
it
that
will
candle.
continue if suppose you are seeing a bullish candle here, okay,
Yeah.
and you saw this candle and the resistance level is here, it will
Hmm.
continue the uptrend, it will go
Okay.
up.
Okay.
Yes, and if the trend be down, it will continue the trend, it will go down.
And there is no matter if it's green or
No,
red. Okay.
no matter, no matter. Okay, so this is a hammer. What about this one? This is a inverted hammer or a shooting star candle. This one also, this one also act same of hammer. In the middle of the trend, this candle also continue the market, and at the SNL level, at the SNL level, it will reverse the market. So let me show you some example to be clear. Okay, here you can see this is a ranging market, right? Okay, so here this is a ranging market, you can see this market going on this range, and you are seeing a hammer candlestick here, this one. So what will be the next candle, what you will do here? Tell me please.
Bullish.
Bullish,
Bullish, why?
because the hammer candle close at the support level,
Yes,
so we can see the buying pressure.
yes, very good. Okay, very good. So as I told you, a hammer candle at the SNR level, it will reverse the market. Hammer candle at the SNR level will reverse the market, and you can see this is the SNR, right? You can see the buyers entries here, the buyers entries here. So when you are seeing a hammer candle close at the level, and this is a ranging market, we already know this is a ranging market. So when you are seeing a hammer candle close at the SNL level here, the buyers will enter and the market will reverse. We all know a hammer candle at the SNL level will reverse the market. So here we can expect a buyer's entry. So let's
Okay,
see the next can. Yes,
I have a question. Can you draw
yes.
the resistance again?
Draw the resistance. Okay.
Support,
Support.
support
Okay.
line.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. If there is a hammer candle like this, sorry, uh, like this, it touch the wick at the support area and
Yes.
like this. So can we trust this as a,
Continuation.
yeah, continuation or
Yes.
false?
Okay. Yes. Very good question. So if suppose the resistance level is here, the support level is here, and you are seeing a hammer candle and it touched the support,
Yeah,
right?
and
You mean
reject.
is this? Yes. So it touched the support. Here you can expect, yes, continuation. The market will fill the gap. Yes. You
But
can continue
sometimes
to the support level.
but sometimes it will not continue, right? Sometimes.
If we have a level like here, you can see there is also a level in the left here.
Okay.
So this hammer is at the level, so it will reverse. Okay, so if you don't have any level and the next support level is here, okay, so let me tell you, if there is no level on the left and the next support level is here and this one touch the support level, it will continue. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
but but if you have any support level here also, it will reverse. Okay,
At least one candle, right?
yes,
Yeah.
That that was why you set the level like instead setting the level here. That was why
okay,
you set it here.
this whole area is a level. Let me draw
I was
this.
wondering if we shouldn't wait for this candlestick touch
This
this
whole area is a level.
this lower level here.
No, I told you, I already told you, if the
It's
market close
because
here,
of this.
close here, close here, it will reverse. Okay,
Okay.
yes, so if it close here or in the middle or on this lower line here, so it will reverse.
Yes, but my question is about this point here. We also consider this as part of the level, not only here.
Yes, this whole area is a level.
Okay.
Yes, the level is area. Okay, so let's see the next candle here. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. Okay, 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 so here, sorry about that. Okay, so here you can see, because this hammer close at this support level, there is a buyer's entry here, so the buyers enter here. Okay, so this one, this is also a ranging market. So if we draw the level here, this is also a ranging market. Okay, so we draw this level here, you can see a buyer's entry from this level, again the market close here, a buyer's entry here also, again the market close here, and this is a hammer candlestick. As we all know, a hammer candlestick at the SNR will reverse the market, right? So here we can also expect a reversal and the buyers will enter here. So let's see the next candle here. Okay, you can see a strong buyers here. Why? Because it closed at the level, at the support level, so the buyers will enter after this. Okay, so can you tell me what about this one,
Sure.
what you will do here?
May I ask a question from the previous picture again, please?
Yes, this one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let me pick my pen here. We have this level. Should I
yes,
also probably consider this a level as well, right?
yes, you should consider this one also.
Right. So this candlestick, it end up at the level.
Yes,
Here is enough for me to expect another reversion, or
yes,
should
I
we?
told you. Yes, this is a ranging market, so whenever the market close at this level, you can expect a reversal. Okay, but if you wanna more trusted trade, trust on this level. These higher high or these lower low level, these are more trusted
Uh-huh.
than this middle level. Okay, I already mentioned in the previous class.
Right. And even if we don't see a shadow here, it's a strong candlestick.
Yes,
We can expect a reversion anyway because it's alone.
yes,
Okay.
yes, we can expect a reversal here.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so tell me please what you will do here, higher option or lower option, what you will do.
Lower.
I would go with a higher option.
Why?
So since you said this is an uptrend, based
Yes,
on
I
the
mentioned here.
based on the last class, that easily that level should be broken because the market movement.
Yes,
And
very good.
I've seen here a higher high from that inverted hammer,
Very good, very
and it's a
good,
sign of continuation. So the market will go up. And if that level,
very
I
good.
think if we draw that level, that should be closed above that level, or maybe in that level. So, but it should
Okay,
continue. It should continue.
very good, very good. Okay, so this level. Okay, so it was very good answer. As I mentioned in the previous class about the trend movement, the uptrend move like this, right? This is the pattern of the uptrend move, and you can see it easily broke this level. You can see here there is no respect of previous level. Even also here you may make a mistake and you say this is a reversal sign at the level, so I can go with the sellers, but you need to see the market movement pattern also. This is not a ranging market, this is an uptrend. So in an uptrend the market move like this, it will not respect the previous level, so we cannot expect a seller's entry here. Okay, because the market will not respect the level here, so we can go with the buyers, not sellers here. It is wrong because the market movement pattern. Okay, so let me show you the next candle here. Okay, you can see how strong buyers enter here. So don't make this mistake, always see it is a ranging or trendy. In trendy market, the market mostly will not respect this level and it will go easily up, and you can see how strong are these buyers here.
Hello, bro. I have a question. I have a question.
Yes,
This in this level, we see a selling pressure, right? Previous level.
yes,
But here I
let
see
me
the
draw this one, right?
right.
Okay,
But here we see the buyers, so we can go buyers easily. Confirmed it.
yes, very good. Yes, this is a confirmation also, because when
Yes,
it closed here the sellers, but here there
no
is the
sellers.
buyers.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, that's right.
Thank you.
Yes, mostly it will not respect and it will broke easily.
Okay.
Okay, what about this one? Let me draw the level here. We just see a resistance level here and a support level here. There is a hammer candle. What you will do, higher option or lower option? Tell me please.
High option,
Why?
Good higher up.
because I think it will continue the market. But there's a round number also near.
Yes, but we don't know
Yeah,
about
we
this
don't
round
know.
number, right? You
Yeah,
can
we
see
don't
here
know.
it's broke here and we don't know about this.
This hammer is a continuation sign in the middle uh, trend,
Okay,
so I will go for high option.
okay, very good answer.
Yeah, I would go with higher option as well.
Okay, why?
So we've seen the level you drawn. The support level is here,
Yes,
and we have a
yes,
resistance level is up there.
yes,
And now here we are talking about the psychology of that candle, as you mentioned. So the closing point of that candle is near to the support level, nearer than the
okay,
resistance level. So I would go
Yes.
with higher option.
Yes, very good. So in the middle of the trend, it will continue, and there is a round number we need to check. Okay, we need to check this one, but here we are seeing a breakout. I don't know about this one. You need to go to pass and check this round number also. Okay, but with this level, we are seeing a resistance level is here, the support level is here, and this is in the middle, this closing point. So we can expect a buyer's entry, right? When we are seeing a hammer candle close in the middle of the trend, this is in the middle, we can expect a continuation, and you can see these buyers here, it will continue and will go up till to the next level. Okay, very good answer. You can see again a bullish candle here.
Yes, I have a question.
Yes, here. Yes.
So, uh, when you uh, when you were learning in trading, how did you practice with 1 minute candle or 5 minute candle or 2 minute candle? Because we have to check so many levels and support
Yes.
and resistance. So 1 minute candle, I think, will not be enough for us right now. Round
Yes.
numbers and all that. So while when
Yes.
you trading and learning at that time, how did you face this?
Myself, I always practicing in 1 minute, but you can practice in 5 minutes. There is no difference. All these points will work in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, no problem. There is no difference, and you will have more time in 5 minute candle. Okay,
Yeah,
you have so many times to check all of these, all of the levels, all of the points. So it's better to practice in 5 minutes at the first. There's no difference.
yeah, okay, thank you.
Yes,
Bro, what is the expiry time for 5 minutes for trading?
it is 5 minutes. 5
5 minutes.
minute
Five,
candle.
5 minutes. No?
Yes.
And expiry time
Yes.
5 minutes, right?
Yeah, when the candle close, it is expired time. 5 minute, 5 minute candle, it will be closing point of the candle. It will be 5 minutes. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
here we have this marble zoo here, right? It would
This
be
this is not a marbuzu.
no?
No, you can see the rejections here.
A marble zoo, you don't consider it any shadow.
Yes.
Okay.
At least one side it have don't have any shadow. Okay, one
Okay,
side
so
at least.
it wouldn't be a reversal sign here.
No.
Okay, the hammer, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's consider then if it was a marble zoo, that would be a reversal sign, right?
Right.
And then we got here this hammer. Should I also take this hammer as another reversal sign for this candlestick?
You need to check the levels. Check the level. Okay, if suppose this is not that a strong level in the past, this is not that strong, and when you are seeing a reversal sign here, the market reverse, but you will see the market, the buyers here are weak. If suppose in the past it reversed like this, okay, let me show you. If suppose this is past, okay, the market close at this level and it's reverse like this one, okay, like this strong candle here, but here it reversed this weak candle with a strong rejection. So now you cannot trust. Okay,
Okay.
understand?
Yes. If in the past
Yes.
we also had smaller candlesticks here, then
Okay,
I could.
and you see again buyers are entering. Okay, and you see again buyers are entering, so now you can trust here also.
Okay, got you. Thanks.
Okay, very good, you're welcome. Okay, so on this picture, this is also a ranging market. I couldn't took all of this market here, I just show you a part of it, but it is a ranging, and this is a resistance, and this is a support. What is this candle? This is an inverted hammer, a shooting star, right? This one also at the level, sign of reversal in the middle, it will continue the market. So what you will do here, You will
buyers.
go with
I
buyers or
know,
buyers. Why?
because it's a hammer in the bottom,
Inverted hammer
inverted
shooting a
hammer,
sell.
yes,
Yes.
filling this gap here
Yes.
in the support,
Yes.
so it's a reversion.
Very good. Very good. So
Exactly
inverted
correct.
hammer. Yes.
So exactly correct.
Yes. Very good. Yes. You can see already the buyers tried, but there is a small gap. Again, the sellers fill the gap, but it is exactly now at the level. A inverted hammer. We already know inverted hammer at the level is a reversal sign, and this is a ranging market. So we know whenever market close at the level, it will reverse in the ranging market. So here we can trust and we can place a higher option here. Okay, you can see again a buyer's entry here. Okay, so about this one. This is a spinning top candlestick. Again here red or green, no difference. Okay, so this is a spinning top candle. You can see here a rejection from upper side and a rejection from lower side. It means both sellers from here and buyers from here are trying to dominate in the market. So it shows us both sellers and buyers are here. They are trying to dominate in the market. But what we can do with this candle here, this is also same. In the middle, it will continue the trend. Resistance level here, support level here. If suppose there is a uptrend here, it will continue till the market reach to the next level. Okay, so we can expect a continuation here, or there is a downtrend. It will continue the market till it reach to the support, and it also in the SNR level it will reverse the market. Okay, so in the SNR level this candle also same as hammer and inverted hammer. The color also doesn't matter, red or green. In the middle it will continue, and at the SNR level it will reverse the market. So we need to check the level also in order to trade with this candle. Okay, so let me also show you some example about this one. Okay, so you can see these are all level, and here you can see a spinning top, right? A spinning top candle shows us the market will reverse, and it is at the support level. So here we are seeing a spinning top at the support level, so we can expect that the market will reverse. Here the market will reverse again, and it will go up here. So let me show you the next candle. Okay, you can see again a spinning top, and let me draw the levels again. So this was the support, this was the resistance. This candle closed in the middle, right? Support level is here, resistance level is here, and we all know a spinning top candle in the middle of the trend, it will continue the trend. So here we can expect again another bullish candle here, and the buyers will try to reach to this level here. Okay, so what about this? Let me draw the level. We are seeing a resistance level here, and we are seeing a support level here, and we are seeing a round number here. You can see this one. Okay, so this is the resistance, this is our round number, and this is the support. This level we are seeing, we are seeing a spinning top candle here. Okay, so what you will do here?
It will continue the market uh, to the round number. If the round number is stronger, it will uh,
Yes, very good.
and
So at least to the round number it will continue, right? Because the next level is here.
yeah, and the buyers are very far.
Yes, very good, very good. Yes, so it is right. This spinning top candle is in the middle. In the middle of the trend, it will continue. You can see the seller's entry, so it will continue the sellers till the next level. A roll number is here, we need to check, but we don't have passed, but it is far. You can see the market didn't touch also, so it will continue to the next level. So let's see the next candle here. Okay, you can see again a seller's entry, and you can see at least to the next level they will go here. Okay, so let me draw the levels here. A resistance level here, a resistance level here, support level. Okay, support level here, and also we have a trend line here, right? So this is the right level. Let me draw again. Okay, so this is the trend line, right? We are seeing a strong buyers from this trend line. Again the market come to this level. Again you can see a spinning top candle. Again it's reverse, and you can see so strong buyers from this level. Again there is a spinning top at the level, at the support level. So here what will happen?
So
Hello?
you explained it,
Yes?
man. So it will be bullish movement.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, it
Is
will
this
be a
clear, right?
bullish. Yeah,
Yeah.
bullish.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. At the level it will reverse, so now we all know. So you can trust this one, and the buyers will enter here because this is a strong trend line. A spinning top at the level, it will reverse the market.
Sure. Can you
Yes.
back there, please?
Okay,
Thanks. Isn't this
you're
one
welcome.
spinning top already?
Which one?
Let me,
This one?
yes.
You can see the spinning top, the upper rejection and lower rejection is almost same, and the body is not this big. Okay, you can see the body of spinning top here.
Yeah, it's too big.
Okay,
Okay.
yes, it is too big
Yeah,
here.
I was wondering if we shouldn't expect bullish candlestick here
No,
because of this one. So no.
no.
Okay.
Okay, so the next one. Okay, here also you all know here this one, there is a level. We already see a strong buyers from this level, and this is also a ranging market. Okay, and you can see again a spinning top candle at the level, so we can expect a reversal. Already we are seeing a rejection from the buyers, and now the spinning top is exactly at the level, so we can expect at least for 1 minute a reversal. And here also you can see a hammer at the level. It also reversed the market here. Okay, so let's see the next candle here. Okay, you can see there is a bullish candle. Okay, so what about this one? This is a doji candle. We have the doji itself. We have the dragonfly doji. It is looking like this, and we have gravestone doji. So it is looking like this one. So it shows us the buyers and sellers are in the same power, equal power from the buyers and sellers. You can see this candle open here the buyers try push a little bit high here, the sellers try, they push the market to go down, again the buyers try, and you can see the opening price and the closing price of this candle is same. So the buyers and sellers are in equal power. So this is the doji candle, and this one also, like the spinning top hammer, inverted hammer, in the middle of the trend, this one also will continue the market, and at the SNL level also will reverse the market. So this is also the same like others. Okay, let me show you some example about this one also. Okay, here, okay, tell me what will happen here. Hello?
It close at the resistance level, or is that the resistance level?
Yes, this is a resistance. Okay, so the sellers will enter or buyers.
Sellers will enter if it is a
Okay,
ranging market.
okay, very good. So this is a resistance level. We are seeing a hammer, a doji at the resistance level. So here we can expect the sellers enter. Why? Because we all know a doji candle at the SNL level will reverse the market. So this doji here will reverse the market, and the sellers will enter from this level because this is a resistance level. So this is at the level, and it will reverse the market here. And you can see how strong these sellers enter here. So at the level it will reverse the market. Okay, what about this one? Let me draw the levels here. Okay, this is a level also. Okay, so we are seeing a doji here. What will happen here?
Yes,
It will
okay.
continue
It will continue, yeah.
It will continue, right?
It will fill this gap.
yes, sir.
Why?
Because there is a gap between resistance and this candle. At least for 1 minute
Yes,
it will cover.
yes, very good. It is in the middle, right? So in the middle of the trend, it will be a continuation sign. So it will continue the market till to this level. So it is a continuation sign. A doji candle in the middle of the trend will continue, and at the level will reverse the market. So let's see, you can see again a buyer's entry, and they continue the market here. Okay, let me draw this level here. There is a resistance, right? We are seeing a seller's entry, and there is a support here. Okay, so there is a doji candle here, support and resistance. So what will happen here? Tell me please.
It will continue. Right.
It will continue, right?
Yes.
Yes, in the middle of the trend. So now we all know in the middle it will continue. So there is again a seller's entry here. Okay, this one also there is a ranging market, and again this is at the level. This is a resistance level. We already see a seller's entry, and this is a ranging market. So it will reverse the market at the resistance level, so we can expect a seller's entry here.
In this case, we shouldn't consider that little gap in between the doji,
Which
the
one?
level.
The level, let me draw clearly. You can see the level is like this.
Yeah, that's a little. Oh, okay.
Yes, it is like this, the area. Okay. Okay, so you can see there is a seller's entry. Okay, so we talk about the hammer candle, right? A hammer candle and the color doesn't matter. Let me draw both. We talk about inverted hammer or a shooting star. We talk about a spinning top candle. Here also the color doesn't matter. Okay, and we talk about the doji, the dragonfly, or the gravestone doji. Okay, so we talk about these, and as I told you, these 9 candle, in the middle there is a support, there is a resistance. In the middle they will continue, and at the SNR level, when you saw these 9 candle at the SNR level, this candle will reverse the market. Okay, so this was today topic, and you just need to know just this point. In the middle of the trend they will continue, and at the level it will reverse. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I don't think you have a question here because it was so clear.
Is it possible
But
for you, sir, to show us in the real-time market finding clear difference to identify uptrend and ranging market, so we decide about
okay,
reversion or
yes,
do not trust in the
yes.
reversion?
After the training on that class, after in the last class, I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Let me just finish the classes so you will have the full knowledge, and I will show you.
All right.
Okay. Okay, so if you don't have any question about this topic, I will end the class here.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
so
you, man. It's a
you're
very great
welcome.
session. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay,
Hello,
you're
hello.
welcome.
I've
Yes.
sent you. I've sent you a screenshot on message. Please
Okay,
check.
send me in Telegram personal chat. I will answer. Okay, I need to go
Okay.
now.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
sir.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.